Assalamu-Alaikum everyone. Today we're gonna be making some type of chicken called the white chicken. This is very rich and creamy chicken. You have to taste this. Oh my god, wallah, man, this is a beautiful chicken. I never tasted before. This is the first time I'm gonna be making this type of chicken. Alright, let's get started. First of all, we took 1 kg chicken. Here's a boneless, take boneless for very rich and creamy thing and whatever you think. And in this bowl I'm going to be adding some tahir. Tahir, you know the tahir is a yogurt or curd, whatever you call the, and add some type of thing. I think it's a 200 gram, maybe or not. Now we adding the ginger paste, the ginger garlic paste. Here's some zira powder, zira, you know the zira. Here we are going to be adding black pepper, 1 tablespoon dhania powder, and salt for a taste. For a better taste, let's mix it up the all carefully. Every spices is come to in the chicken and just marinate for a rest of a night or the 30 minutes say longer. Yes, nice looking, juicy, yeah. Let's make some gravy. In this bowl I'm going to be taking 2 onion, 10 cashews, 10 almond and 2 green chili. I boil a little bit to make it soft, then I mix it and voila. You can see there is the paste is a little bit harder, so I add some water and mix it again. Oh la la, mamma mia, that was a really good paste. Oh my god, I'm loving that. Oh sure. Alright, let's back to the recipe. So now in this I'm going to be taking some a very large pan and whatever you call. In India you can call this karai. Add some oil. Pretty much 2 tablespoon oil. I'm adding in this pan a curry garam masala. You can really relate if you live in India. Your curry garam masala is cooked literally. You can raise your flame and add your chicken in that pan and cover it and let that cooked for 10 minutes. The chicken will be soft in a few minutes. After that you have to check it out. Keep checking your chicken is not stick in the bottom of the pan. After 10 minutes my chicken is become soft. Now I'm going to be adding this paste. Mix it very carefully and easily. Oh my god, they start boiling like a creaminess. You can see on that video, man. This is going to be crazy. You can see it. That your white chicken is turning white really nice. Look at that beauty, man. Now cover it again and 5-4 minutes. You have to keep stirring your chicken and add some cream. This is completely optional. If you don't have a cream, just use your malayo, yes, malai. And in this stage, add some coriander and the green chili softly cut it in long pieces and make them soft. 3, 2, 1. I will show in the final footage. Oh my god, look at that. That was a really good chicken. I tasted and never tasted before. So yes, your chicken is done and now it's time to serve. And look at this, man. This is really good. Oh my god, I start loving that dish and this making me a very good so hot. So hope you enjoy my video today and so please like, subscribe and share my videos. Hope you enjoy that and see you soon for the next recipe. Alright, I'm done. Me D-Man signing off. Goodbye.